Spice. Why Spice can't fix up herself? Spice, yeah, make money. Spice, I'm a blood clot artist. The nigga like pom pom, the nigga like pom pom. Night and good, my world tight and good. Spice, I'm an artist. You're my artist, Spice, but you need to fix up yourself. Spice, you need to, you come a far enough. You need to go map or make them match you. Because your foundation them ever off. Me no get it. Me no understand why your foundation always. Why Spice foundation have to always off?
She do it herself.
She do it herself. And Spice, you're black already, which me love your blackness, but your black and shine. You understand what I'm saying? I love your blackness. Don't get me wrong, you know. Your blackness pretty bad. But Jesus Christ, I make you look like you want beard, sir. Spice, make you look like you want beard, sir, Spice. Listen, all of them can't cost me, I say, no. I say me big and fat. That's all them can't cost me, I say me big and fat. Because I'm an analogy. You understand? Other than that, that's it. But me I talk the truth and the truth with God love. I mean I'm biased. Spice, you look like you want beard. Spice, you look like you want some Dettol. Spice, you look like 2 tubes of bleach need to go in your water when you're beard. Spice, you need to come a friend for 3 months and come beard in the people them find warm water. Yeah. Me not biased. Spice, you need to come over here come beard in them water there. Because Spice, you look good. Come like,
what did she do?
She don't look good. Hey, it come like Spice take one before Spice, everyone before Spice performance. Me feel like Spice take a big old buckle of canola oil. No, canola oil not so shiny. Take a buckle of vegetable oil. Spice, you have to do blood clot better. Spice, you have to stop it. Spice, and if you go, if somebody case and you don't want to come and find, and you ever there blood clot find, you ever there Trinidad, you ever there Europe, you ever there England, you know beard when you come over here. Is what? You don't beard when you come over here. I said, I'm going to do me up tomorrow, you say, I'm ready for that. Because a long time I look nice and good.